I'm ready to teach you our next wordwall word for this week. So I told you both of the words that we're learning this week are the only two words in our language that can be spelled with only one letter. So the other word that we learned was the word I. So our next word is the word A. Now A A is also spelled with only the letter A, but it is a word all by itself. The difference is A as a word does not have to be capitalized. If it's at the beginning of a sentence, you have to write it with a capital A, but if it's in the middle of a sentence, you can write it with a lowercase a. So the word A is used when you're talking about one of something. I see a dog. I have a sister. That's the word that you would use when you're talking about something, then there's only one of them. So this word A has only one letter, and it's a small letter. It would only go up to that dotted line in the middle, not the tall line, but the middle line. We call that a small letter. Okay, and then we're going to practice using the word A in some sentences. When I go to put the word A on our word wall, and you can even see it back right there on our word wall. Do you see it up there? And so I would put it under the picture of the letter card A, because the word A starts with the letter A. So I'm going to practice using the word A in a sentence, in some sentences. So some sentences that I could use the word A in would be, I see a dog. I could use the lowercase a in that word because it's in the middle of a sentence. It does not have to be capitalized. But if I had a sentence that started with the word A, I would need to start with a capital letter because the first word in a sentence always starts with a capital letter. A cat is here. So I started with a capital A because it's the first word in a sentence. Let's do one more. I have a dad. So you can see the word A in all of these sentences. I also spy our other word I in some of these sentences. So look, I can use two different word words in one sentence. These are going to help you with writing and reading. You see the words I and A in a lot of books. You'll also want to write the words I and A in a lot of your stories. If you're writing a story about yourself, you'll use the word I, and you'll use the word A in a lot of other sentences too. So when you're now that we've learned the word A, I want you to practice on this page from your packet. You did the same one with I yesterday, but I forgot to explain it to you. So you're going to trace the word A. You're going to write the word A. You're going to find the letter A right here and make the word A by cutting it out and gluing it right here. And then any words here that say A, you're going to circle it. So this says go. You're not going to circle that one. This says B. You won't circle that. But this says A, so you'll circle it. So you're going to circle all the word A's that you find. And then you're going to try your best to use it in a sentence. Even if you can just write a dog or I see a dog. However you can write A in a sentence the best you can, I want you to write it down there.